In this tutorial, we are going to discuss complete parameters. So in the previous video, we have discussed simple. So we are going to see the complete parameters in the rectangle pocketing cycle. So here we are going to use additional parameters. So not in the single simple. So here the additional parameter is PL. So it's a PL is nothing but machining plane selection. You can select multiple planes, the three planes, XY plane G17 and G18 is the ZX plane and then YZ plane G19. So here you can select different plane uh, in the machining operation. So usually we select G17 and then upcut and downcut same strategy is available in single also. RP is the retraction plane. SC. So SC is called safety distance. So the tool moves approach to retraction plane and then moves to rapidly safety distance and then start plunging. So this is called safety distance in any Siemens cycles, Siemens numeric cycles. SC means for safety distance. F is the feed rate for a XY plane milling, pocket milling. And then in reference point, in the simple operation, the center is the always reference, but in the complete cycle, you can change to different location. For example, center of the pocket, or if you want corner, so you can select corner, lower left corner, or another right corner, and then top corner, and then another top corner right side. So here gives option to select different location of the pocket reference point, and then machining strategy will be same. You have a roughing, finishing and wall finishing chamfer. Then here one more parameter is single position and then position pattern. So in the simple you can call only one location for a pocket, but here position pattern you can call this cycle in multiple location. So this call M call. We will see in detail in the next video. So you have option single position. The cycle will be called in the particular location, and we'll do this. Then if you use position call, you can call this cycle multiple location. You need to use the position pattern for this option. And then x0, y0, z0 will be a same. It's a reference point based on the reference point. Suppose if I select center, you have to give the center location. If I select corner of the pocket, you need to give the correct reference point. And then W is width, L is the length, and then R is the corner radius. Alpha theta. So alpha theta is here. You can rotate the pocket with reference to with respect to reference point. So in the previous example, you can't rotate the pocket, but here we can rotate the pocket alpha theta. So here if I give any angle, for example 45, you can rotate the pocket. And then Z1 is the total depth of the pocket. You can give in absolute or incremental. And then dxy is the cutter shift percentage in feed in xy direction. You can give the radius of the cutter or diameter value, percentage of the cutter or diameter of the cutter. And then dx is the depth of cut for each pass, and then uxy is the finishing allowance for a wall, and then uz is the finishing allowance for a base. And then you have a same strategy here. You have a pre-drill and then vertical and then helical and then oscillation. So you can select any one of the strategy for a pocketing operation, but pre-drill you should have a drilled hole should be there to start the pocketing operation. So the respective parameters you need to enter, feed rate, everything. And then one more parameter is called complete machining, and then you have remachining. What is complete machining? So this will be a solid block, so it will create the complete pocketing operation. It's a complete machining. So if I select remachining, so you have a three options are coming: ZA, and then W1, L1. Suppose, for example, you want to machine the pocket, you want to create a pocket, so you have an island here. Okay, so you need to mention what is the width and length and then depth. For example, thickness, what is the depth of the island pocket, the pre-machining area. Okay, so these parameters will be there. So we will create a program in next 1 minute video. So remachining, complete machining will be full block machining. Remachining, so already you have some material is there, so to remove that material we are going to use, these are the options are there. So respective parameters we need to enter. So these are the key parameters used in the complete option: alpha, theta, safe distance, plane, and then you can select reference point, and then you can select complete machining or remachining option. Thank you for watching.